So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link in the description to download the NVIDIA cleanup tool. We're going to be doing a clean reinstall of our GPU driver. Now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it so we can install it. And then click on yes. Once this comes up, you want to click on accept. And then click on yes. It's going to remove our driver, application and utilities. So if you previously had the NVIDIA app installed, it's most likely going to delete it. However, we are going to reinstall it again. But it will remove your graphics card driver. So just wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, click on OK. And then click on yes to restart your system. And then come back into Windows. And now once you're back on Windows, you want to go to the link in the description to download the NVIDIA app. Now once we're here, click on download. You want to install this. And now once it's been installed, you want to launch it. Then on the left hand side, you want to go to the driver tab and then click on check for updates. And then click on download if your graphics card has any updates to do. Make sure that you have the latest drivers installed and then the problem should be fixed.